Good morning everyone. Another design for today guys. Sorry guys, ngayon lang ako nag-upload ng videos. Vacation kasi dito sa Korea is 5 days. Summer vacation siya kaya ngayon lang ako nag-upload na videos. Ito siya guys, yung design for today. Magsulot muna tayo kasi nag-stop yung machine. Okay. Siya guys, design for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe.